Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's day 28 of the 30 days of sketches, and today's sketch is brought to you by Jennifer Gagne. I'm sorry, I probably pronounced that wrong. I'm not very good with names. My apologies, Jennifer. There's mixed media in this. Me and mixed media don't gel, but I'm going to attempt something. I'm going to do a simple stencil with a sponge dauber. That's as much mixed media as I'm going to do today. But it's something. Okay, so this is a photo I'm scrapping. It's of my dad as a wee little fella with his dad, and this had to have been taken in the 1930s, and these were the photos in Sydney. Oh, look at that. Oh, that says Billy, 2 years 7 months. My gran used to call him Billy. His name's William, and I'm going to have to take a photo of that, so I'll put this on with temporary glue so I can take it off and take a photo of that, and that will be part of the journaling. But these are the people who used to take photos as people were strolling down the footpaths or walking down the footpaths in Sydney, and or all capital cities really, and then you would buy the photo if you wanted to. Look at that, 3-piece suit, and he's probably just going shopping or something. Wow, those are the days people used to dress up. Yeah, so that's what I'm scrapping. My heading is going to be snapshot, because that's what it was, a quick snapshot. I am using, what's it called? Hang on a minute. I'm using Spread Your Wings by Colour Blast Australia. And I don't know if they're around anymore, but this is by Colour Blast. And it's geared towards a female because all the words in it is like your makeup and she spreads her wings and all that sort of stuff. But I'm picked out the more male, masculine sort of papers. My embellishments are going to be quite simple. Just some tags and then brads. We all have brads and we never think to use them. So I thought, well, let's get some on this page. So I picked out all the ones that are sort of the right colours to go with this layout, and that is as simple as it's going to be. So let's get this page started. Okay, here's my page. Nice and simple. I really like how the stenciling came out. I'm going to do that more often. Next step is to add texture paste when I stencil instead of just ink. I do the cheaters quick version. Anyway, nice and simple. I think it's enough. I didn't want to put any more brads on. I had a few more out, but 5 is enough. And yeah, that's my page. Nice and simple. And it looks like the sketch. So thank you, Jennifer. Love that sketch. If you haven't already, check out the playlist listed below for everyone else who's playing along in this series and making videos for the sketches. If you've liked this page, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.